Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best folding electric bike review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Erlife F1L Foldable Electric Bike. The Erlife Foldable Electric Bike commutes smarter with this 14-inch folding electric bike. This bike features a 500-watt peak motor, giving you a top speed around 20 miles per hour, which is perfect for city streets, short commutes, and daily errands. It comes with a 48-volt 7.5 ampere-hours removable battery, about 375 Wh, and the brand claims up to 20 to 40 miles per charge, depending on rider weight, terrain, and riding mode. Charging is also fast for this category, usually around 3 to 5 hours, and the battery has a key lock, so it stays secure. One of the best features here is the triple shock absorption system front fork suspension, mid-frame suspension, and seat suspension. That means it handles bumps and rough roads much better than most small folding e-bikes, giving you a smoother and more stable ride. You also get 3 riding modes: electric mode, pedal assist, and manual mode, so you can ride your way based on battery and preference. Overall, the Erlife is a great option if you want a portable, comfortable, and practical folding e-bike for everyday use. Number 4. F5 Foldable Electric Bike. The F5 Foldable Electric Bike is designed for urban commuters and travelers. Its quick folding frame makes it easy to store in your car trunk, carry on public transportation, or tuck away in small spaces, perfect for daily commuting and city rides. This bike uses a 500-watt motor with up to 750-watt peak, and it can reach around 22 miles per hour in ideal conditions. It also claims about 25-degree climbing ability and around 55 Nm torque, so it should feel strong on city roads and small hills. This electric bike 48-volt 20 ampere-hours lithium battery. You get better range up to about 45 miles in pedal assist mode depending on rider weight, terrain, and speed. Some versions also mention 23 to 28 miles in throttle mode and 30 to 40 miles in PAS mode, and charging time is usually around 7 to 8 hours. Many models include BMS protection and even IP65 waterproof rating, which is great for daily use. You get a smart LCD display showing speed, battery level, and mileage, plus 3 speed levels. Some versions include a phone holder and USB charging port, which is super useful for navigation. You'll find front and rear disc brakes, bright headlight and brake tail light, perfect for night riding. It's also foldable, so you can store it in a car trunk or carry it for commuting. The seat is wide and comfortable, and the 14-inch tires are designed for city roads and light mixed surfaces. Number 3. F12 Folding Electric Bike. The F12 electric bike is a foldable design, simple 3-step folding system. Use high-cost aluminum alloy material to make the fuselage, weighing only 46 pounds, lightweight, high hardness, high durability, strong shock absorption characteristics to ensure the safety of the fuselage. The F12 comes with a 500-watt high-speed motor, giving you up to around 20 to 22 miles per hour, which is great for city commuting. The 48-volt battery charges in about 4 to 5 hours, and the best part is it's removable, so you can charge it indoors and reduce theft risk. This bike offers 3+1 riding modes: throttle mode, pedal assist, cruise control, and you can also ride it like a normal bike with power off. Range depends on your mode. You can get around 22 to 25 miles on full electric and much more in assisted riding. It has a full shock absorption system to reduce bumps on rough roads for safety. You get disc brakes, front and rear LED lights to improve visibility day and night, and it's UL 2849 certified, which is a great plus for peace of mind. It uses a simple 3-step folding system and folds down to about 27 by 17 by 26 inches, so it fits easily in a trunk or on public transport. Overall, the F12 folding electric bike is a strong choice if you want a portable, comfortable, and powerful commuter e-bike. Number 2. GS5 Folding Electric Bike. The GS5 Folding Electric Bike made from aluminum alloy, foldable frame makes storage and transport simple. The GS5 offers 3 riding modes: pure electric mode, pedal assist mode and normal bicycle mode. With the 750 watt peak power, it can handle hills well up to around a 30-degree slope, making it great for city streets and tougher roads. For comfort, it has full suspension to absorb shocks and reduce vibration. It also comes with dual disc brakes, giving strong and reliable stopping power, especially important for commuting. This bike is fully foldable, so you can store it in a car trunk or carry it easily for travel. The removable battery makes charging super convenient at home or the office, and the LCD display clearly shows speed, battery level, mode and mileage even in sunlight. The front and rear lights help with night riding. Overall, the GS5 Folding Electric Bike is a solid choice if you want a portable, powerful and comfortable e-bike for commuting. Number 1. Aliexpress T5D Folding Electric Bike. The Aliexpress T5D features a 14-inch foldable frame made from strong carbon steel. It's lightweight, easy to fold and perfect for city use, apartments or car trunks. The bike also comes with dual seats, making it suitable for short rides with a passenger. This e-bike is powered by a 500-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt 10-ampere-hour lithium battery. It offers a top speed of under 25 kilometers per hour, which is ideal for urban riding. With 3-level pedal assist, you can choose how much electric support you want. The bike delivers a range of 31 to 60 kilometers, depending on riding mode. Safety features include front and rear disc brakes, a rear brake warning light, and a 6-watt LED headlight for night riding. The front suspension helps provide a smoother and more comfortable ride. Overall, the T5D Folding Electric Bike is a great choice for city commuters who want portability, efficiency, and modern design. If you're looking for a compact e-bike with solid performance, this is definitely worth considering.